Okay, what do we have today?
Amphenol ICC's IX Industrial IP20 connectors, they're like a connector unicorn. They're fast, small, and robust. They probably shouldn't exist, but they do. And I've got plenty of them here for your next factory robot, medical device, building automation system, or IoT connected application. IX industrial connectors support 10 gig Ethernet and PoE, but they have a 10mm pitch and they're 75% smaller than a regular RJ45 connector. This lets you increase port density without sacrificing performance. The connectors also have 2-point metal latches that prevent accidental disconnection in high vibration applications, while heavy-duty solder tabs keep the connector firmly attached to the PCB. IX industrial connectors offer 360-degree shielding for robust EMI immunity in electrically noisy environments. They can also be used for signal and bus connections or other interfaces with keyed housings to ensure proper installation.